In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect GOG Galaxy to your other gaming accounts, step by step, so you can keep all of your games, achievements, and friends in one place. This is super useful if you play on multiple platforms like Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, or Ubisoft, because GOG Galaxy makes it much easier to organize everything from a single launcher. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's get started. First, open GOG Galaxy on your computer. Once it loads, look for the gear icon in the top left corner. This is where the settings and account options are located, so click that gear icon to open the menu. After that, hover over or select Add Games and Friends. In that menu, you'll see an option called Connect Gaming Accounts. Click on that to continue. Now, GOG Galaxy will show you a list of supported platforms and services that you can connect. Depending on what you use, you might see options like Steam, Epic Games, Xbox, Ubisoft, PlayStation, or other services. Find the platform you want to connect and then click Connect next to it. This is the step that starts the linking process between GOG Galaxy and your other gaming account. Next, a login window will appear for that platform. Sign in using the credentials for the account you want to connect. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one profile. After logging in, the platform will usually ask you to authorize the connection. Go ahead and approve it so GOG Galaxy can access the information it needs. Once you've authorized the connection, just wait a moment while GOG Galaxy imports your games, achievements, and friends list. Depending on how many games you have, this can take a little time, so be patient while everything syncs. When it's done, you'll be able to see your connected library inside GOG Galaxy and manage your games more easily. If you want to connect more accounts, you can repeat the same process for each platform. Just go back to Add Games and Friends, choose Connect Gaming Accounts, and link the next service. This is a great way to build a full gaming hub without constantly switching between launchers. And that's it. You've now learned how to connect GOG Galaxy to your gaming accounts in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.